Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I am going to explain artificial intelligence course from Store University all over the world. It will be helpful for you to finish the course in your update in your resume. Your resume look like you are an updated student and it will be easily grab a job from the top MNC companies. Course detail will be 6 modules they are providing. Hours 30 hours. Beginners free course. About this course, the goal of the course to demonstrate the artificial intelligence. It provides a gentle introduction to the basic that enable to understand what is possible and what is not, and to recognize how AI is affecting our lives. After this course, you will be able to discuss AI, be a crucial about all AI related claims, explain the underlying technology, including machine learning and the neural network, and understand the major implication of AI. How it works, completing this course, it will be useful for you. You may get a chance in studying AI community spectrum. Get a 90% of exercise, get 50% of right now include in multiple choice in numerical exercise and question and answers. You may also like this course all they are providing as a ordinary course. You just want to click here means will automatically move to this is the page which you are going to start your course. You just want to click start and change your country. And or you want how AI might affect your job or like we want to learn about the AI. Do you understand the AI? Our goal of demonstrating AI courses, what is the goal, everything. Introduction and building of the course. After you finish this all the students who are studied thousands on other countries they have studied. 40% women frequently ask the question why you choose this course. It's all the updated skill and with the partner with the Google. Always you should remember one thing. If a Google is be a partner, the certificate will be valid all over the world. So don't miss this opportunity. Apply as much quickly. Forward to your friends and school student and college student. Thanks for watching this channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section.